guys. So we're just running the Camaro tonight. We're gonna see how it does, so y'all stick around.
Rough track. We got the front end on the car running a little bit lower, but she's got plenty of travel under there. It's just the nose is sitting low for this track like this tonight. They're telling me that they broke the track open last night when they got done racing last night, and then it come a thunderstorm and it rained, so it made the track super spongy. So it is what it is. I went ahead and aired all the tires up on the car. Like, I aired the right front up to like 22 pounds. I got the right rear at like 19 pounds. I got it aired up because I saw what it was going to be. It'll be fine. I told Rachel, I'm like, girl, you got to stay above that. Like, you can't get down in there and rut in that stuff like a hog. Like, that won't work. We'll end up flipping a car down in there and that stuff. We're going to give this right front a little more help. I switched out and put some new BSB springs on the front. I've got an 1100 on the right front, a 1000 on the left front. We're going ahead and put the spring rubber in this right front as well. But I can't completely change, with this being factory stock mount shocks and stuff, I can't like suddenly raise the ride heights on this car. That won't work. At least we can do those, put a spring rubber in. Matter of fact, I put a spring rubber in both sides. Got another one, put it on this side. I put the same spring rubber in both front wheels, both of them. So the car really isn't gonna act any different. It's just gonna help calm it down, like hitting them ruts, you know? So I think you're fine. Just when you drive in, stay high or stay up out of them. And remember, because we don't care where you finish, it's not but 11 of y'all survive that track. As the night goes on, the track's gonna get better. So let's not get took out in the heat race. Let's make it to the feature, because it's rough. So remember, just stay up there in a clean line. If you got speed, you feel good, move forward. If it's crap, don't worry about it. Fair enough?
Fair enough.
All right. value. But it looked good in 1 and 2. So, but 1 and 2 doesn't have the holes that 3 and 4 has got. So
3 and 4's got some beast.
setup wise, of course, you fold the front end of the car under. I can't help it, the hole's too big. I'm gonna leave them rubbers in. It's gonna be rough all night. I think I'm gonna leave it alone. If we see it really starting to slick up off of the turns, I'll put that extra spacer back in that right front and stick it back out. But if it stays like hooked up, we're gonna leave it just like it is, okay?